Hi everyone, it's me, Lindsay, with EquipMeOT, here today to talk about a very cool walker. This is the Z63 by VOCIC, and this walker has some very nice features, including one that you've probably never seen before. So make sure to stick around to see what that is. So first off, this Z63 is a very nice indoor style walker with the smaller smaller wheels, so it's good for navigating small spaces. It comes in at around 23 pounds total, so it's one of the heavier walkers, but it's also extremely stable. It has a larger tube design, so you're going to get like exquisite stability with this for up to 300 pounds for the user. So that's 300 pounds for the user up to 6'2". So this walker can really accommodate a substantial amount of size as well as stability needs. It also comes with an ergonomic 14-inch wide seat. This seat has this really nice contoured ergonomic design, very unique. Most of them are simply flat. It also comes with a bag that mounts to the front as well as an additional zipper pocket under the seat. These features are great to have as these walkers tend to become your mobile workstation in addition to your mobility aid. So one of the nice things about this, as is with any four-wheeled walker, it has a very simple folding mechanism. Simply pull up on the middle and it's going to fold into this flat design, and then it can be lifted into the back of most vehicles to be transported into other places. It assembles relatively easy. I took about 10, maybe 15 minutes because I had to reverse a few things that I had done without watching the instructions. Always follow the instructions when you're using the assemblies of these because they all require some little different touches. This one was a little bit harder because it has this incredible feature of the dampener. So this is a completely magnetic, so there's no batteries, no electrical, but this awesome product has a dampener that allows you to adjust the speed of the roll in your wheels. So it has 4 separate speeds. It's going to show a rabbit up to a turtle, and the rabbit is your fastest movement all the way to the turtle, which is going to be the slowest movement. So this walker really allows you to maintain your pace regardless of how the ground is sloped, so that you don't have to worry about a runaway walker. Excellent tool for reducing fall risk and increasing stability. So let's see how that really works in action. So now I've brought you outside to show you a very common scenario for a lot of walker users, and that is ramps and slopes. Whether it's a paved ramp like this or a gentle hill someplace, these types of four-wheeled walkers can kind of get away from you in that situation. So this walker has this incredibly unique resistance or dampening feature on the controls that allows me to turn it from a standard four-wheeled walker, which is going to roll quickly and potentially away from me downhill. Gravity is going to pull the 4 wheels and take them away, to being able to adjust it to its fully dampened or highly resisted mode. And now that it's on this resistant mode, that's all I had to do was click that 4 pieces over, which shows a little turtle, so that's, you know, you're heading in the right direction. Now as I approach this, it's not rolling away from me at any kind of speed that I can't handle. I can keep the walker with me throughout the approach, and you can see even as I come to the bottom, it's moving very slowly, even without holding on to it. So as you can see, with the dampening on, I have a much safer, much easier handling of these slopes. This safety feature can be the game changer in preventing dangerous falls, unnecessary strain, and a lot of stress when using a four-wheeled walker. All right, so we're back inside. Let's talk a little bit about my overall perception of this walker. I really like it. It is a highly stable, high quality offering. It does not have any jiggle to it. It assembles well. It has good weight capacity. Comes in a few different colors, which is always nice. And certainly this added feature of the dampener or resistance is phenomenal for adding that extra stability and safety that most four-wheel walkers, frankly, most that I've ever used, do not have. So that extra feature and the price point of around $250 makes this a really efficient addition to mobility aids. One of the things is, who is this for? Who would benefit from having this dampening feature on a walker? The biggest thing is for individuals who struggle with either having too slow or too fast of a pace and finding the four-wheel movement to be difficult to manage. So I picture individuals who either let their walker get far ahead of them. So individuals who you watch tend to have their walker way out in front and they lose that stability. By slowing down and increasing the resistance, you can really help to encourage keeping that walker close. You really want the walker here as a stabilizer, not so far out front. The dampener allows you to, as a caregiver, help to control some of that tendency, creating a more upright and stable posture. It significantly reduces fall risk when associated with those types of ramps like I showed before. Anytime you have changes in ascent or descent, the walker itself can help you to stay stable. Most cannot. So this is again a highly viable option for reducing fall risk, increasing independence, and keeping somebody using a four-wheeled walker longer, as oftentimes when it becomes unsafe to use the four-wheeled option, we have to downgrade to two-wheeled options, which rarely feature the extra things like seats and bags. So this is a fantastic solution to keep individuals independent and safe longer, which if you've watched my videos before, you know that's a combination I absolutely love. So if you have any questions or comments about this particular product, check out down below in the comment section. Description will have your links and any other information you might need. And if you're looking for more information on products like this that help you stay safe and independent in your home and community, consider subscribing to EquipMeOT. Thank you.